So a cluster set is just a couple of smaller sets strung together into a single larger set. You might see something like 4-4-4 or 5-5-5 or 6-6-6. And what that means is you're going to do a set of, let's say 4-4-4. You're going to do a set of 4, rest 20 seconds or so, another set of 4, rest 20 seconds, and then another set of 4, and then you would do a full 2 to 3 minute rest before performing that again for however many times I prescribe. Now what that means, because you're doing 4-4-4, is that you'll actually be able to pick a heavier weight than if you had to do them all in succession, right? That's 12 reps. If I asked you to do a full set of 12, you'd have to pick a lighter weight. By doing 4 and then getting a rest, and then doing 4 and then getting a rest, and then doing 4, 12 reps, you'll be able to actually use a heavier weight, and that's kind of the point. And so maybe if you used 15 pounds for this in the past, maybe try 17.5 or 20 pounds and see how it goes. If I'm having you start at 4-4-4, I recommend picking a weight that you think you can do for about 8 reps all the way to failure. That will work out pretty well. So when it comes to setting up the incline curl, I recommend a bench angle of 60 or 45 degrees. And the point of the incline curl is that your arm can be back behind the torso. If I'm sitting upright, my arm is in line with the torso. If I lay back, my arm hanging down is now kind of behind my torso, and that lengthens the bicep, and that's a good thing for growing it. Now, anytime you're laying on an incline, please pop the seat part of the bench up. It's gonna make you feel more stable. Then you're gonna grab your dumbbells, and what I want you to do is just gently pinch the shoulder blades a little bit. Don't need to get crazy with it. And then you're going to externally rotate. We'll talk about what that means, so that you're curling kind of on a diagonal here. And so you can see this arm is kind of lined up directly in line with the camera. It's not in front of me this way. I'm not curling directly in front of me. I'm here and I'm externally rotated a little bit like this, and then I'm curling kind of in what we would call the scapular plane, whatever. What it means is you're not curling directly to the front like this. You're not curling directly to the side like this. It's in the middle of those two things, and frankly, after you pinch your shoulder blades, it's gonna be the most comfortable position. Again, pinch them gently. Little pinch, little externally rotate, arm goes all the way down for a full stretch, and then as you curl, I'll grab the dumbbells for this, as you curl, be careful that you don't bring the elbows up with you. This is the most common mistake, bringing the elbows up. I want you to keep the elbows where they are. They don't raise up as you curl, just like this. Now, all of the information about how many reps you should do and how much rest you should do and how you're going to progress this over time and what weight you should use is all going to be in the exercise description. So after you're done watching this, give that a read so you know what to do.